Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Flutter SDK, Android SDK, and Xcode installed. Run Flutter Doctor and fix issues. Next, decide format, static PDF, EPUB, or an interactive Flutter app, because that choice drives layout and asset export. Once decided, create a Git repo and scaffold a Flutter project with pages for chapters, asset folders, and a theme. Make sure to set target device sizes and typography scale now, because consistent design prevents rework later. Once content is structured into Markdown or JSON, import it into the app and split into chapters with metadata. You'll build reusable widgets, chapter view, image tile, and code block that enforce consistent spacing and handle long code snippets. This reduces duplication. Implement navigation, lazy loading for media, and a search index so readers find topics fast. Also add offline caching for images and assets. Without caching, users face slow loads. Make transitions smooth and test on Finish by polishing typography, accessibility labels, and interactive elements so readers can focus and navigate. Then choose export flows, generate PDF or EPUB for static distribution, or build app bundles app IPA for stores. Test each thoroughly. Once done, run end-to-end tests and a final review on target devices. If something breaks, missing assets, font embedding, or platform rendering differences, check asset paths, font licenses, and device pixel ratios first. Resolving those usually fixes the majority of issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.